Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, looking at PCLN on the daily and weekly time frame. So the bounce stalled out today. We had a little bit of a double top. The high yesterday was 1275.57. The high today 1275.70. So I consider that a double top. Pennies in a $1,200 stock is insignificant, and it's right at that 200-day moving average resistance. So this right here is setting up for, if the market see weakness next week, we have this double top and clear resistance. PCLN will be a nice bearish play. We can see support will be the low of the day. We've got 1245, 1240, down to 1216, 1205. You get the idea. Look at the previous day's lows for those supports. But the fact that we can't get over this 200-day moving average and that we're anticipating some consolidation in the markets next week after such an incredible bounce the past 4 days, PCLN is going to be a prime target for a pullback, and we'll look to head down to the low 1200s. So the weekly time frame is a bullish reversal candlestick holding this key 100-week support. We bounced off of it on the pullback to start May, bounced off of it again this week. We can see the 50-week resistance at 1267.76, middle Bollinger Band 1293.82, and what it's going to take for me to be bullish on PCLN is for 1370 to become support here after we've been rejected 4 weeks, inability to get over that level. All-time high is back up here at 1476. If we get above 1370 and turn that into support on the weekly time frame, I'm going to be a big bull on PCLN. But until that happens, we are going to be looking for potential plays in both directions here on the daily time frame. And this right here, this action is suggesting potential bearish entry. And again, I want to stress that you want to see the weakness in the overall markets. There can be some discorrelation between the two, PCLN and the overall markets, but generally it's going to trend and follow each other, and you want to have the wind at your back, so to speak, with the overall market seeing weakness and looking for PCLN to follow. So higher lows on this entire bounce, and a break of 1245 will break that pattern, so we're going to be looking for that to occur on Tuesday, and we'll be looking back down towards the 1200 area. So I appreciate you watching. We'll see what tomorrow or make that next week brings, and have a great long weekend.